This is the AI News Flash for April 30th, 2 a.m. UTC. First up, Samsung Electronics' first quarter operating profit surged eightfold year-on-year, setting a record. CNBC, Reuters, and the Wall Street Journal reported today. AI demand triggered an HBM and server DRAM crunch, and the memory business generated record earnings. The semiconductor division drove most of the profit. Samsung guided strong AI server demand will continue amid HBM rivalry with SK Hynix. Hyperscaler AI capex over $650 billion flows directly into memory chip demand. The earnings clearly proved the broader semiconductor ecosystem tailwind this quarter. News 2, Alphabet and Amazon outpaced Meta in AI execution during the big tech earnings bonanza, while Meta shares slid in extended trading. Bloomberg, BBC, and Fortune reported. Investors rewarded Alphabet's Gemini integration and Amazon's AWS AI revenue growth, but reacted skeptically to Meta's 2026 AI capex hike to $125 to $145 billion. Microsoft, Meta, and Google all announced billions more in AI spending, yet only Meta got punished, Fortune analysis noted. ROI-proof pressure intensifies each quarter. The earnings season showed AI monetization speed becoming the clear divider of market valuation. News 3. AI-related spending drove U.S. business equipment investment to a 6-year high. PYMNTS.com reported today. Investment in AI infrastructure, data centers, semiconductors, and server equipment lifted overall capex. The 6-year peak confirms AI boom spillover into the real economy. Non-hyperscaler companies are also accelerating AI capex. The trend aligns perfectly with Samsung's earnings memory demand surge as broader corporate movement. The Wall Street Journal, meanwhile, analyzed big tech struck gold with AI, but at a steep cost. Sustainability of capex pace versus operating cash flow pressure becomes the next focus. News 4. U.S. Senator Bernie Sanders strongly urged international cooperation to curb AI's runaway train. Guardian reported. Sanders launched an international AI regulation panel addressing hyperscaler $650 billion AI investment, job displacement, military AI, and surveillance risks across borders. With the EU AI Act August 2026 compliance deadline approaching and no unified U.S. federal regulation, Sanders' international coordination approach aims to fill the regulatory void. AI governance accelerates as a major issue for the 2026 midterm elections. The AI industry lobby versus regulation advocates dynamic intensifies at federal and international levels simultaneously. News 5. Roblox unveiled new AI technology letting anyone create photorealistic multiplayer games. Invin Global reported today. The technology auto-generates photorealistic 3D environments and multiplayer games from natural language prompts. No development skills required, a revolutionary accessibility leap. Game developer community shows strong resistance to AI-generated content. Roblox takes a clear lead strategy in the consumer-facing creative market. The boundary between generative AI video models and physical AI game creation is rapidly disappearing. User-generated content platforms now show concrete shape for the next-generation AI democratization model. So that's all for this AI News Flash.